So let's learn how to create a new iCloud account working in 2026. So go ahead to your settings and search for your mail. So we're right to mail. So mail is the option that will work if other option doesn't work. So now what you have to do is to scroll down and click on mail account here. So go ahead to click on add account. So don't forget you're clicking on add account here. This method works 100% for people who are unable to make using the normal settings app or normal place. So go ahead to tap on your email address, or you can just click on sign in options, then go ahead to look for iCloud. So click on add account, then iCloud, and go ahead to type in your username, but since you don't have, you can go ahead to create Apple ID, or what else I'll be clicking also create a new Apple account if you want to get it. So this method works well for people who have not been able to access that other way. So just go ahead to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So you go ahead to set your date of birth right now. So I'll be putting my name and my last name, and also here my date of birth. So once you're done with setting your date of birth, we go ahead to the next step. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. It works 100%. So once I'm done with setting my date of birth, I go ahead to click on OK and wait for this to load. So now you are asked for your email address, so go ahead to set in the email address you'll be using for this iCloud. So don't forget, get it. Mine is udolfranklin12345@email.com. so once I'm done, I'm going to click on continue. So I'm done with typing my Gmail. I'm going to click on continue here, and once it goes, I'll have to verify my Apple password. So go ahead to pick a very strong password, a password that has an uppercase letter, a lowercase, or lower cases also, then also one special, yeah, like that. For example, you can use art or whatever. So once you're done, click on continue. Just make sure you use a very secure password that will work well, a password you've not used before. Once now you're going to ask to verify your phone number. I'm not using phone number, so I'm using a different number, and I'll go ahead to input my country code and my phone number I will be receiving the code with. So once I'm done, make sure this phone number is really active, and Apple will definitely send a code over to that account. So once you've received your code, go ahead to type in your code right there. So I'm still waiting for mine. I've almost got to my code, so what I'll do here is to just type in my code when it comes. So use this second to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also get to share this video too. Now let's get to the deal and solve this issue permanently. So yeah, my code has arrived right now, and I will be imputing my code. So once you're done, click on continue, and now you have seen the terms and condition. You can go ahead to request it via Gmail. Me, I don't need that. Once I'm done, I'm going to click here on agree, and I have created my account already. So I'm clicking on agree right now, and you can see it's loading, and the next step is to start signing me into the iCloud. So you can see it's signing me into the iCloud, and I've been able to create a new iCloud very easy and stuff. So now you can go in and sign this into your normal Apple device. If this method actually worked for you, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you're facing issue, maybe you're asking, or it told you you've generated too many with that phone, comment the issue and I'll solve this for you. Like and subscribe to your channel. Bye.